Hello everyone, welcome back to Freshers Now YouTube channel. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about Vodafone off-campus recruitment. Vodafone is now hiring pioneer graduate trainees for the full-time. Before going into the video, if you have not subscribed our YouTube channel yet, subscribe now and be a part of our YouTube family. Don't skip, watch the video till the end. Let's see the job description which they have mentioned. The candidate should focus upon the provision of advice and administration and provide services across the related function in line with procedures and concepts. Ensures a high quality of work and influences business decisions through counsel or advice using specific skills and experience. Let's see the job responsibilities. The candidate should use best practice knowledge to challenge decision making in order to drive the most effective outcomes. The candidate should support the team to deliver activities related but not limited to large-scale transformation programs across the end-to-end technology lifestyle. The candidate should use communication skills to exchange ideas and information in a concise and logical way to support the delivery of the most effective outcomes in alignment with strategic direction. The candidate should maintain strong relations and work closely with seniors and external vendors. The candidate should perform other job-related duties or tasks defined by the supervisor or resulting from the assigned agents. Let's see the skills required for this job. Agile, DevOps, Security, Software Engineering, Automation and Robotics 2022, Digital Embellment, Networks and Connectivity, Cloud, FRHR, Data Analyst and Insights. Vodafone is committed to attracting, developing and retaining the very best people by offering a motivating and inclusive workplace in which talent is truly recognized and rewarded. If you want to apply for the Vodafone off-campus recruitment, the link has been provided in the description. You can apply from there. I hope this video is useful for you. If you have any queries, comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.